Hey everyone, in today's video we will see how to get proof of payment on Nedbank app. There are two ways to get proof of payment on the Nedbank. These are as follows. Method 1. On the Money app. Step 1. Open the Nedbank app on your mobile device. Step 2. Log in using your Nedbank ID, app PIN or Face ID for authentication. Step 3. Tap on the Transact option on the main menu. Step 4. Choose Pay from the available options. Step 5. Scroll down to locate the section labeled Your Recent Payments. 6. Select the Once Off Payments tab or Recipient Payments tab if your payment was to a saved recipient. Step 7. Locate and select the specific transaction for which you required proof of payment. Step 8. Tap Share Proof of Payment. Step 9. Decide how you would like to share your proof of payment. Type the details in the required fields. Step 10. Tap Share. Method 2. Through online banking. Step 1. Access the Nedbank online bank portal using your Nedbank ID or QR code for authentication. Step 2. Select the Pay option from the menu. Step 3. Select the Once Off Payments tab or Recipient Payments tab if your payment was to a saved recipient. Step 4. Locate and choose the specific transaction for which you need proof of payment. Step 5. Select the Share Proof of Payment option associated with the chosen transaction. Step 6. Decide on the preferred method to share the proof of payment, such as email, SMS, or any other available option. Step 7. Enter the details in the required fields. Step 8. Select Send. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.